If you have been thinking about buying an e-bike, or even two, this might actually be the right time to pay attention. Kingbull is running their 2026 anniversary sale, and the deal structure is a little different from your typical discount. Instead of just marking down individual bikes, they have put together matched pairs, two bikes designed around how people actually ride together. And if you buy two eligible bikes, you get an extra $150 off on top of the already discounted anniversary pricing. Let me break down the three pairings they have put together, because each one is aimed at a pretty different kind of rider. The first pairing is built for couples, and this is honestly where the concept makes the most sense, because two people riding together rarely want the exact same bike. Kingbull pairs the Ranger with the Discover ST 2.0. The Ranger leans into that vintage electric bike aesthetic. It has a 750-watt motor, a 48-volt 18-amp-hour battery, dual suspension, and a range of up to 80 miles. 80 miles! That is not a quick spin around the block. The Discover ST 2.0, on the other hand, has a step-through frame, which makes it much easier to get on and off and gives the whole ride a more relaxed, accessible feel. So one person gets the rugged long-distance machine, the other gets comfort and ease of use. Together, they get out of the house and actually ride somewhere. Combined, this pairing drops from around $1,900 to $1,748 after the two-bike discount. If you and your riding partner are a bit more intense about your outdoor adventures, the second pairing is probably more your speed, literally. The Hunter 2 and the Rover 2.0 are both built for off-road terrain. The Hunter 2 0S, specifically the Forest Green Edition, comes with an 80 Nm torque motor, cruise control, integrated turn signals, and dual suspension. It is a versatile, all-terrain machine designed to handle whatever the trail throws at it. The Rover 2.0 complements that with full suspension, which does a better job absorbing impact over longer, rougher rides. So if one of you wants to push the pace and the other wants to survive the ride without their back giving out, this combo has you covered. That pairing comes in at $1,948 after the discount, down from over $2,000. And before we get to the third pairing, if you are finding this kind of content useful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. There is a lot more coming on e-bikes, gear, and tech worth knowing about. Now, the third pairing is for a completely different lifestyle scenario: RV travelers and campers. When you are living out of a vehicle or pulling a trailer, storage space is not a suggestion, it is a hard constraint. Both bikes in this pairing fold. The Literider 2.0 is a folding fat tire e-bike, which means it can handle gravel paths, campground terrain, even beach routes. The Verve is more compact and straightforward, built for convenience in tight spaces. Together, they give you two capable electric bikes that do not require you to rent a separate storage unit. This pairing is priced at $2,178 after the discount, down from $2,328. Now here is the timeline you need to know. A preview period ran from June 10th through June 14th. The full sale officially kicks off June 15th and runs through June 30th. On top of the pairing discounts, Kingbull is also offering bonus gifts on qualifying orders over $1,200, and every qualifying purchase gets automatically entered into a giveaway for a free electric bike. So worst case, you save $150 on a pair. Best case, you get a third one for nothing. If you are even halfway curious about getting into e-bikes this year, it is worth a look before June 30th.